Good, beautiful afternoon. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And I just cannot believe what a beautiful day we are having. It's like the perfect day, about 75, sunny with a beautiful breeze. Today I'm showing you this little journal that I made over a year ago. I used to have an Etsy shop. And this was one of the things in it, but I closed my Etsy shop not long after I made this. So I've had it stashed away, and I thought, why don't I just use it for something? I have a couple other little patchwork covered journals too, but in this little library card pocket, I have this library card and an envelope with a little tag. I don't even remember what all is in here, but I do remember making this little hand sewing this little button thing, the buttonhole. So we'll just do a quick flip through, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to use it for. I had thought about using it for inchy collages or, inchy glue book pages, but I thought, I don't know, this is not really a glue book, it's like a junk journal, and so it is very floral. Very floral. And here's another little, what do you call these, corset pockets with another tag. And I'll just keep going real quick here. It's pretty simple. I didn't do a lot of fancy stuff. Here's a card here, and it's just plain on the back. So what I think I'm going to use this for, these are from my hydrangeas. I have this little pocket, or with an envelope, another little journaling card there, and a little envelope. This is like a belly band. It should be like this, actually. This was a little envelope from Amity Bloom. I just made it really tiny when I printed it out. And inside, what do we have? We just have a little red card. I don't know. Oh, a little card like that, and a little Tim Holtz poster there. So that should be like this. So what I thought I would use this for is recording photos of my flowers that in my yard, and also that I just see out in public and want to document. So that's what I'm going to do. It's sort of like a nature journal. I'm not going to be putting any animals in this one. Oh, I just realized I can see like the marks of where I washed this off. I hope you don't see it because it looks pretty gross. My neighbor came over earlier and brought me a couple of tadpoles for my little pond. He lives right on the pond across the street, so yeah, so he did that last year, and I don't know if one of them grew up to be huge, but we did end up having a frog in there. So I think this is called an allium. This is a rhododendron, this is an azalea, and this is a poppy. It is amazing to me how these giant poppies come out of these little pods that are only about this long and about this thick. It's like this little pod right here. This beautiful thing pops out of that. It's all curled up and folded up inside, and then it just pops out. It's amazing. I think it's this way. So, I think what I'm going to do, I think this is the first picture that I took. So I'm just going to kind of, although this one kind of looks like that, so maybe I'll put that one there. And I'm just going to glue them on. Now I have this glue, and I'm going to try putting in my really thin nozzle for it. This is the thinnest nozzle they have. And I found out that the pin is just supposed to clean it. You're not supposed to leave the pin in it, which I didn't know. Everybody leaves their pins in there, but really you should put the lid back on, at least with this glue anyway. I don't know what the directions are for like the art glitter glue. I just wish I could get this lid on. It just doesn't fit right. And nothing's going to come out. Oh, there we go. It is very thin. So it definitely does do a thin line of glue, but it doesn't come out very easily. We'll do that. And I'm just going to write May 2024 because I don't remember the exact date. Allium. Okay, I love those purple. They look like purple dandelion puffballs. Then over here, we'll go ahead and put our azalea. I feel like if I'm not careful, I'm going to blow the top off. Let's hope that doesn't happen. I don't think I need to use this one for every day. I think a wider one would be better. Alright, and this is... I almost think I should maybe use a label because you can see through a little bit here. So I think I'll do that next time with some labels. Get that out. Get this one in, the rhododendron. Yep, that's the way. And on this page, we will put the poppy. And that's it for today, except for the labels. So let me get my labels out and we'll come back. Alright, so here we have our allium. I guess I could cover that up with a label too. Azalea, May 2024, rhododendron 2024, and the poppy I remember was May 21st, 2004. So I'm probably going to write maybe my garden, but it's not just my garden though. Flower and plant journal, that's what I'll do. And then I can write about stuff on the backs of the tags, or I can put more more pictures on the tags too. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, stay happy, healthy, and well, and strong and courageous, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.